We were inspired to design and 3D print a boombox, but with a bit of a twist. Hoping to bring back a bit of nostalgia with cassette tape decks, we thought it'd be fun to use LEGO DUPLO bricks to play music. This uses a color sensor to detect the color of a brick and plays an MP3 audio file associated with that color.
Blue!
The LED also changes to match the color of the brick. So imagine using different colored bricks to play your favorite MP3s.
Red.
We think it's a fun and hands-on way to enjoy music, and it could be a great learning tool for young makers. The CircuitPython code handles all of the logic, and it features a list of color values and MP3 files stored on a micro SD card.
Red.
It's easy to add new colors and audio files, so you can customize it to match your taste in music, or you can have it play the names of colors to help kids learn colors and objects. The rotary encoder can also play, pause, and turn the volume up or down. It's powered by the Feather PropMaker RP2040 and an Ada Logger Feather wing for additional SD storage. We designed the enclosure to be minimalistic and easy to assemble. The built-in storage bin can be used to hold some bricks, and it also features a handle for carrying it around. So with young makers in mind, we think this could be a good project to make with the kids, or maybe build it as a gift. To learn how to build your own color sensing music player, see the tutorial at learn.adafruit.com.